All right, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. Let's do a trade review of Quantum Fuel Systems Technologies. Stock symbol is QTWW. This is a weekly chart that you're looking at. I got involved with Quantum Fuel Corp back in, I'd say, May of 2012. This was not a typical swing trade, which is what I'm known for. It was more of an investment. And the question you may have is why? What was different about this stock? Well, I'm big into the natural gas boom, fracking, etc. I believe those companies are going to go through a secular bull market. Now, QTWW builds the fuel tanks for large overland trucks that are converting over to natural gas. We took up positions in Navistar, which is building the engines for those trucks. So it's a secular bull play, and I decided to add some on this huge sell-off. Fast forward, we did not buy at the bottom. I wish we could say we did, but we waited for the selling to end, and we bought on strength. It rallied up to, this is pre-reverse split. There was a reverse split involved here. It was down below $1 when we bought it, and then after the reverse split, now it's up where it is right now in the fours. So we watched the stock consolidate. I was happy to see that it put in a higher low versus the prior low where we got in. It consolidated further. And what they did was, I'm not a big fundamental guy, but I tracked the management. I watched what they were doing with the proceeds from a secondary offering, which is why the stock really took a beating the second time around, pulled back down again. And what they did was the right thing. They paid down debt. Not like these other companies that do a secondary and then the management puts the money in their pockets. These guys didn't do that. They did the right thing. So, given the secular bull play or the story of the natural gas boom and the fact that the management of this company was doing the right thing with the interest of shareholders in mind, we decided to hold on to our positions, in fact, build positions. Sure enough, we had a massive rally up to above this resistance level, which was resistance going back to early 2012. We've held it. And on the daily chart, you could see that the stock had an RSI of over 86 this past Friday, and today being Monday, the topping tails, there was a warning flag on the track. I warned members over the weekend, my week ahead commentary, listen, be prepared to take half profits off the table. We'll look for a pullback to get back involved with Quantum Fuel Systems. I still like the stock. I still own the stock. I plan on owning it for a few more years. I think it's a potential buyout candidate. And even if they're not, I think that the secular growth story is a good one. So we'll look to get back involved with QTWW. I will be sending out alerts to members when I add and when I sell shares of QTWW or any other stock. I like the fact that the 50-day moving average is going to take out the 200-day moving average. That's a bullish convergence. That doesn't mean, though, you still can't have a pullback in the stock, creating a more attractive re-entry point. And that's it, folks. If you have any questions on this trade or any other, shoot me an email, robert@thecontrariantrader.com. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have, and I will talk to you soon. Best of luck in your trading endeavors.